With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is the blank provides a template, blank brings amino acids and reads the genetic code, and the blank plays structure and catalytic role during the translation. Options given are DNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA, mRNA, sRNA, tRNA, mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, hnRNA, tRNA, mRNA. So here we will see the process of translation. If we see the process of translation or protein synthesis, in process of translation, mRNA it acts as a template for the protein synthesis. mRNA in return it is formed from the heteronuclear RNA. Heteronuclear RNA it contains introns and exon as well as, but mRNA after post-transcriptional modification, messenger mRNA is being formed, and here only coding sequence are present which act as a template for a protein synthesis. And if you see hnRNA, that is heteronuclear RNA, that is formed from the DNA. So template only that act is the mRNA. Now mRNA brings mRNA provides a template. Second is blank brings amino acids and read the genetic code. So on the mRNA, genetic code is present. On mRNA, it contains the genetic code in the form of codon, and then there is another RNA that comes into picture, that is tRNA, or we can say that the transfer RNA. Transfer RNA is reads the genetic code because it is having the anticodon of the tRNA that corresponds to the genetic codon, and according to the codon present on the mRNA, anticodon will bind, then it bring the amino acid. And it starts the translation. And then blank here second is the first one is we can write it here like this. First is messenger RNA, second is transfer RNA. Third is dash plays structure and catalytic role during the translation. Structure on which we can say that the translation occur, that is the ribosomal RNA, and ribosomal RNA it acts as a ribozyme during protein synthesis. It acts as a catalytic property, so it acts as a structural as well as having the catalytic role during the translation. Ribosomal RNA, because it is a site for protein synthesis, where protein synthesis can occur when the smaller and the larger units of ribosomal RNA they aggregate together. So C is correct here. So now we will see option. Option is first is DNA. This is incorrect. From DNA, firstly heteronuclear RNA formed, then mRNA is formed, which act as a template. So this is incorrect. Next is messenger RNA. Then is a small small nuclear RNA. This is incorrect. Next is messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Here this is a sequence. This is correct. Heteronuclear RNA. Usually students get confused with the heteronuclear RNA and the mRNA. Heteronuclear RNA is the precursor form. It is not the modified version. It contains intron, while it is a template, is a messenger which contain only coding sequence. So this is incorrect. Option C is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.